Hi, and welcome to CTEK. I'm Åsa Johansson, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how you charge your battery with your CS1 adaptive battery charger and maintainer with Apto technology. But before we start, I'd like to say a big thank you for buying CTEK. Okay, so we have connected the clamps and powered up the CS1 from the outlet. When you do that, the LED display quickly does a couple of cycles. What's happening here is the CS1 is using the CTEK's revolutionary adaptive charging technology, or Apto, to talk to your battery. While it's doing this, it's working out the chemistry, the size and health of the battery and what type of charge it needs. The CS1 then uses Apto to automatically deliver a customized charging program based on the state of your battery and its specific needs. And when that's done, the display will start flashing to show that the CS1 is now charging your battery. And when the start LED stays lit, it means that the battery has enough power to start your vehicle. Each LED will then light up on the display while the CS1 is charging. The display will also tell you how long time there's left to go in the charging process. And when all the LEDs are lit, your battery is charged and ready to go. You can safely disconnect the clamps at any point during the charging process, or just leave them on to do their work. When the battery is fully charged, you can either disconnect the CS1 or safely leave it attached, and it will automatically switch itself into maintenance mode. When it's in maintenance mode, the display will start pulsing. And that's how you charge your battery using the CS1. Thank you for watching.